Okay, here we are at Mini Excavators Gone Wild, and I've had questions about what is that between the tracks of my excavator. And there is a claw that I have always available, so that way if I get to a large object and I need to move it, well, there's our large objects, and that little standard bucket just isn't really up to the task. So what I do is well, you'll see. Here goes. Now we're ready to move some big stuff, and you can even see how I have expanded my thumb to really have good angles and leverages on pieces.